Hey friends, if you encounter the error Battlefield 2042 black screen and stuck on the loading screen, then the solution is as follows. Search for the word firewall in the Windows search bar and click on firewall and network protection to open this Windows security window. Now protection is on and public network is on. Click on it, turn it off. It will ask for certain permissions. You have to give those permissions. Then return to this page once again, turn off domain protection, say yes, then private network, turn on domain protection. Now the second you do this, you will be able to play the game, but remember that once you are done with this, you have to turn on all of these protections again for the private network, and then return and turn it on for the domain network, and then return and turn it on for the public network. And once all of these three networks are activated, you will be safe again, but you have to do this after you have played the game, else the game will cease to work. I hope this was helpful. Please let us know in the comment section below. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.